Hello guys, welcome back. Till now, in our student management system, we have CRUD working, validation, flash messages, and pagination. But right now, our students only have text details, name, email, class, and phone number. In real life, every student also has a profile photo. So in this part, I will add file upload to our project so we can upload and display each student's photo. First, we need a column in our database table to store the photo file name. So for that, create a new migration to just add the column. To create a migration, type the command php what we are doing is we are giving a command to make migration, add photo to students table for table students. Hit enter and you can see migration file created successfully. And you can also see inside migrations there is one new file added. This is our migrations file, and here you can see in this migration file up and down methods are there. Now inside the up method, add table. So we are defining the column photo inside our students table, and it is nullable, means photo adding photo is optional. And what we will do is we will make it after phone number. And in the down method we will write table drop column photo. Save this file. Now run the php artisan migrate. This command will create a column in our students table. So once the migration run successfully, go to the browser and inside php myadmin, click on student management database, and inside the students table you will find one new column by name photo after the phone column. After adding the photo column inside our student database table, we need to update our controller and blade files. This is our student management system. This is our students table, and when we click when we click add student, it will show us a form where we fill the form with student details, and when we click save, it will go to the controller. But here we have only name, email, class, and phone number. We need one more field to upload our photo. So for that, we need to add one more field inside our create.blade.php. In create.blade.php only, we have the form to add student. So after phone number, I will add one more field, photo, and input type is file, and name I am giving photo. So what happens here is browser presents file picker and name photo is important because this name only we will use in the controller. Save this file, go to the browser and click on refresh, and you will see a field to upload the photo. If we click on choose file, it will allow us to select the photo. Then after selecting photo, if we click on save, the data will go to the controller method store. So this is our store method, and here first we validate the request, then we are saving it to the database. So here first I will validate our photo field. This photo field is optional. It means if a user wants to upload or not, it depends on their choice. So for that, I am giving nullable as the rule. It means optional, and it must be an image file of these types: JPG, JPEG, and PNG. And the maximum size of the photo is 2 MB. So for that, I am giving max 2048. Then after giving the validation rules, what we need to do is here first we need to check whether the form request has the image or not, because as uploading the image is optional, first we need to check if file was uploaded, then we will process it and move it to the public uploads folder. So here you can see public uploads folder is there, and inside uploads folder as of now there is no image. So if the request has a file, we will process it and upload it to the public uploads folder. So for that, we will use if condition to check if the request has the file or not. If the request has the file, first we will bring it into the file. So if the request has a file, what we are doing is we are getting the uploaded file as an uploaded file object, so we can inspect or move it. After that, we will build a file name. I am using time method to make it basic uniqueness. So it will have timestamp along with the file name. So what this line is doing is we are building a file name. File name consists of timestamp along with the original file name. So file get client original name is the original file name uploaded by user. Then we will move it to the uploads folder. After moving to the uploads folder, we are storing the file name in DB. Then we are saving the student record and we are redirecting back to the students page. We will show a flash message added successfully. So save this file. Then the next step is So this is the student table. Here only name, email, class, phone number is there. We need to have a photo field also, or you can say photo column also, and it should display the student's image. If students, if image is not there for any student, it should display a text, no photo. So for that, go to the index.blade.php and edit the table. So first I will give th, or you can say table header, and give it a name photo. Then inside our table, I will add td and I will check if student photo, then I will display that inside our image tag, and width I am giving 60 pixel. So what we are doing is here, if student photo is there, we are getting it from the uploads folder, showing it inside the image tag. If there is no photo for the student, we will display a text no photo. So what I will do is I will create else and give a text no photo, and I will close if using and if. Save this file, go to the browser, refresh this page. Here you will see photo column, and we don't have photo for the existing students. It is showing text no photo. Let me add one student, fill the form with some dummy data, and here choose the file. So I am selecting student one photo and clicking on save. Here we see a flash message added successfully, and go to the last student, and you will see a photo of the student which we added just now. So here we are able to uploading the file. Now what I want is, when I click edit, the form should have the existing photo, and when we update with a new photo, then it should get uploaded with the new photo. So for that, we need to first edit the edit.blade.php. What I will do is I will copy the photo field from create.blade.php and paste it in the edit.blade.php. And we should also show the existing image. If a student has an existing image, it should show. So for that, I am using if condition and checking if a student has photo, I will display that inside image tag, and I am closing if condition. Save this file, click on refresh, and you will see existing photo is displaying. And one more thing, when we upload our photo, when we are uploading through add student form, you will see inside public uploads folder, inside our public uploads folder, all our images are getting stored. The next thing is, now what I want is, if I select a different photo and if I update, the form data goes to the controller method update. And if the student has a photo, the old photo should get deleted and new photo should get stored. So for that, I will update the update method. So this is my update method. What I will do is I will copy the photo validation rules, as well as I will copy this processing and moving to the public folder code. But here we need one more thing, that is, if a student has already an existing photo, then if we are uploading a new photo, old existing photo should get deleted, because if we don't delete the existing photo, our public folder get full with the images. So we don't want that one. What we will do is we will remove the old photo. So for that, I will check if photo is there inside public uploads folder, then we will unlink that image. So we are using if condition to check photo is there. So here what we are doing is, if request has a file photo, then we are checking if the student already has a photo inside our uploads folder, we are removing the old photo from the uploads folder using unlink method. Then we are storing the new photo of that student. Save this file. To save this file, go to the browser, click on refresh, and go to the student which has the photo, click on edit. So it is showing because student already has the existing photo. Choose file, select a different photo, then click on update. Here you can see there is a flash message, student updated successfully. Now go to the student which we edited just now, and you can see that new photo is there. Now let's see inside our public folder. So here you can see in the upload folder, old photo got removed and new photo get uploaded here inside our public uploads folder. So this is all about dating. Now let's see how to delete the photo. See, when we delete the student, the content get deleted. But how to delete the photo? For that, we will update our destroy method inside controller. Go to the controller, and in the destroy method, we will check if the photo is there in the upload folder. If it is there, then we will remove that photo using unlink method. First, I will check with the if condition. Save this file, go to the browser, click on refresh. Now what I will do is, I will delete this student. So here you can see flash message, student deleted successfully. And inside our public uploads folder, there is no image, as the image also deleted. So this is all about file upload, and in this part we have seen how to add photo, how to edit, and how to delete. We have also saw how to create a new column using the migrations in our database table. If you find this video is helpful for you, Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts, please write it in the comments. Thanks for watching.